Pagod ka na ba sa maliit na sahod, long hours at traffic? Watch this video para malaman mo yung benefits ng freelancing. Hi guys, ako si Tito J, freelance hiring manager for 5 years. Today, pag-uusapan natin ang benefits ng freelancing. If you want to learn more about freelancing, let me know in the comments at save mo na din tong video na to and share it with a friend para sabay kayo mag-start ng freelance journey nyo. My number one at favorite reason sa pag-freelance is permanent yung work from home. Hindi mo kailangang gumastos ng pamasahe or gas o ma-stuck sa traffic. Next is growth opportunities. I started as an agent and now I manage my own team. At pati ibang businesses nagre-reach out sa akin, nagpapatulong sa hiring process nila. Next benefit na makukuha mo is you get to work with global clients. Pwede kang makakuha ng clients from the US, Canada, Australia at iba pang bansa. And yes, dollars din ang binabayad sa'yo. Speaking of dollars, malaki ang chance mo dito na kumita ka ng malaki. Pero nakadepende to sa niche mo at skill level mo. Comment down below kung gusto mo malaman kung magkano nga ba ang kinikita sa freelancing.